Hi everyone, John Cottrell here of MBODY Yoga, and this is a video on how to use the basic journal that you can download for free from my website. If you go to johncottrell.com, you can download this basic journal for free. And I'm just going to show you a quick demonstration on how you can use it. So here's our journal, and you can see it's only 3 pages long. Just swipe to get to each page. If we tap up here and get those 4 squares, you can see it's just 3 pages. We got our cover page, and then just a Monday through Sunday spread right here with dots. And then the second one, pretty much the same with no dots. The dots here just actually help you to write in a straight line. So you can decide which journal and format that you want to use. Now, because there's only 1 page here, we want to duplicate this page. Let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to tap those squares. This first one's highlighted in blue. Tap the arrow below, click duplicate, and I've made a duplicate of that page. And you can make as many as you want. There we are. Always keep one blank. And then you can start your writing. So let's just write something here. Now this could be used for anything. This could be a daily planner, this could be a diary or just a journal, like a gratitude journal. You can post pictures, you can place a calendar here or a picture here, quotes. This could be really anything. So I really made it quite basic. So let's say we're going to write something. And there we are. Let's say we want to input a picture. I love coffee. There's a picture of some coffee. I can just put over here, just for a little inspiration, right there. Good. Then you've got a second page. Go ahead and duplicate that. Be sure you always have a blank page to use that you can copy. And you can go ahead and keep on writing. You can even change this picture. Here's a little trick you can do to cover up this page, because you can't change it because it's part of the permanent basic journal that I've created for you. But here's a trick. Take your loop function, circle on white, right there, tap within that little loop and it says take screenshot. Tap that. And it just basically takes this little screenshot of this little square here. Click the share button, copy, and there we are. Now, use your finger, hold on the screen, tap paste, and there's your screenshot of that square. Now we can resize this, and look, we can resize it right over the picture, like that. See? Now it's disappeared. Now you can add your own picture. There, all done. See how easy that was? So if you need to cover up something, even the words here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if you want to use your own font, for example, now I still have that square highlighted or saved in my clipboard. Paste it, resize it. Let's get it to the right size. And then I can use a new font, for example. Type Monday. And I've got a new font right there. Not the best example, but you can see how you can cover up anything that's permanent on the basic journal and add your own picture or font. And that's it. There's your basic journal for notes, diary, note keeping, class planning, anything you want to put in this basic journal. And again, you can get it for free. Just go to johncottrell.com, go to Digital Planners, and download it for free. If you liked this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Send me a comment. Let me know what kind of journal that you would like to use. See you next time.